How to create custom city maps in Canva. So one of the fastest ways and easiest ways you can do this is to just make use of their templates. Now you can search for maybe a city map or just a map in general, like so, maps, and then just go ahead and choose whichever that you prefer. But in our case, we're just gonna put in city maps so that the search bar doesn't get confused. But we're gonna search for city maps, and then we'll be able to see lots of templates that we can make use of. So you're gonna explore whichever map that suits you the most. Maybe you want a single page or an entire presentation for a map. But anyways, let's say you choose this one, and then you're gonna go ahead and press on customize this template. Now it does look a little weird, but that's usually because you're gonna have to add most of your own details, since maps are going to be very specific, so it's gonna be different all the time. You can go ahead and add your elements, you can add images of your actual map if you'd like, and then just go ahead and put your extra elements like pinpoints and names for the specific areas. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can use or create a custom map in your Canva. Although this isn't custom since it's a template, you can do the same or similar thing by starting from scratch. Just upload your images and put in whatever description you want and pinpoint the exact locations. But that's how you can do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.